Hi guys, I'm Raina Jain and welcome to the Sublime Life YouTube channel, your weekly source of skincare, hair, beauty and everything in between. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this super trending clean makeup look. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. To prep my skin, I'm using the Gush Beauty 𝗥𝗲𝗰𝘁 Illuminating Moisturizer. This gives such a beautiful stroke to the skin. It acts like a very luminous primer. So I'm just applying this all over my face, and it also gives that glow from within kind of a look. For foundation, I'm using the Skin Tint Foundation by Ruby's Organics, and this is that second skin kind of a foundation. It just looks like a veil of filter on your skin, doesn't look cakey at all, gives you light to medium coverage, and it just feels like I have nothing on my skin, and it just makes my skin look really juicy, dewy and beautiful. And I'm in the shade M02 by the way, and it matches me perfectly. To cover my dark circles, I'm using the Ilana Soft Blur Cream Concealer, and I'm in the shade Pebble. This is that warm shade for my skin tone, and it just matches me perfectly. And you guys can see how beautifully it covers my dark circles. For blush, contour and highlight, I'm using my absolute favorite Gush Beauty face palette. This is the Stacked in Your Favor face palette in the shade Day In and Day Out. They also have a lighter shade in this palette, but I think for my skin tone this is a perfect match. These are like all cream products, and they blend like a dream. They're so beautiful on the skin. I like using brushes with some of these products and my fingers for others. Like, you can absolutely use your fingers to blend these in. So first I'm using this contour shade, and this is such a nice warm color, so it more so acts like a bronzer for my skin, and it just melts into your skin. It is so easy to blend. It's not that waxy kind of a cream product. It is just a beautiful cream product. Using the blush on the apples of my cheeks, and again it just adds like the most beautiful flush of color on your cheeks. And since it's a cream blush, it is super long lasting. Otherwise, blush is the first thing to leave your face, and I think to achieve this clean look, I think using cream products is the key, because it just looks super natural, super dewy and hydrating. This highlighter is again really natural. I like to use my fingers with it. Now you want to make sure that you're only setting your problem areas. My problem area is my under eyes, so I'm using this Sandiva SPF Top Up Loose Powder in the shade 22, and I'm only focusing it under my eyes, and I'm just lightly dusting the powder under my eyes using a damp sponge so that my under eyes don't crease at all, and I'm leaving the rest of the face very dewy. And for mascara, I'm using the Ruby's Organics mascara, and this gives so much volume to my lashes. It looks really wispy and almost gives you that false look, coating my top and bottom lashes. And lastly, for my lips, I'm using the Daughter Earth Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Desert Nude. This is like that perfect nude lipstick for my skin tone. You can obviously use this on your cheeks as well, but I specifically love this for my lips. It's that beautiful warm nude color. So this is the finished makeup look, very clean and very polished. Let us know in the comments below if you guys have tried this makeup look yet. All the products will be linked in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. If you're looking for more tips, please drop them in the comments below. Thank you.